'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone in a sec.
Hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been, you guys. All right, so let me first and foremost start off by saying welcome back, everybody. All right, so it has been, I think we missed 2 weeks of upload for Bag of the Week, you guys. First, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking beside me, rocking with me. I greatly appreciate you guys. It has been a bit busy. You had spring break, testing, you know, other family things that has been going on, but you know, for the most part, it has kept me busy. I did not record, I did not edit, upload, nothing. So appointments, spring break, just, you know, just everything happening all at once. I needed to take the time. I couldn't upload, but again, I thank you so much for rocking with me. Let's hopefully get back on track and I can get to these Bag of the Week videos for you guys and show you what I've been using for the week and, you know, what's in my collection or whatever. What I'm going to do is, this actually is week 13, what I used for week 13. So I'm going to upload, I believe, 2 or 3 weeks worth of Bag of the Week videos for this week. So you will probably get 3 Bag of the Week videos back to back, or I think 2, because I think we're just down 2. So you'll probably get one on Sunday, one on Tuesday, and then regular schedule programming. I'll upload like Thursday or whatever like that, just to kind of like get and push some, you know, videos out for you, because I have a lot going on. I have a lot that's written down that I want to tell you about. So I'm talking about skincare products that are new, some spring haul, whatever like that. And I will definitely go into detail on that particular video. So don't judge me. I know I'm not shopping for the year, but some things have transpired. So I'll get into that with that video. So definitely make sure that you are watching, you guys. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed. You have the bell notification clicked. That way you don't miss me, I don't miss you, and we're here, all right? And you are reminded every single time that I upload. So either which way, let's go ahead and get into this Bag of the Week, because I know you missed it, all right? So here it is. All right, you guys, so Bag of the Week, week 13, is none other than this Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. There's nothing really to say about this bag, you guys, that you haven't already heard, because this bag is everything. This bag has been literally the it girl for a long time. She's been everywhere, and I'm here for it. And I like to tell the story over and over of how I got this bag. And it was kind of like, you know, pretty climactic, I think, for me, because it was just, I'm not going to sit there and lie. Like, I was literally just, okay, so basically what happened was I was already in there picking up a bag or looking for something else. And I happened to ask, hey, do you happen to have, and before I can finish what I was saying, she said the Pochette Metis. I said, yes. In the monogram print, I said, yes. She said, yes, we do. So either which way, she bust out this beauty. I looked at it for a little bit. I opened it up. I don't even remember if I tried it on. I'm not going to lie. I do not remember if I tried it on. However, I just said, yes, I will take it. So I purchased that, and I left with the other bag that I had been there to pick up, that I had gone there to pick up, and the rest is history. I had her for a few years. She has still, you know, held up pretty nicely. I have no issues with her at all. And I do have this bandeau on here. I don't know if I'll ever take the bandeau off. I might take it off and use it for something else. But as of right now, it works. I don't have an issue. And I really like the way it contrasts with the monogram. So just quickly going down the list of this particular bag. She's in the monogram print. She is coated canvas. She is not leather. She's not on print leather whatsoever. If she were, she would be a little bit more pricey. But if leather is your thing, which of course is mine as well, go ahead and spring for her. All right. I definitely just wanted the classic, the one that kind of like stands out, the one that, you know, was literally on everybody's mind at the time. And I wasn't really feeling the on print leather. So I went ahead and went with this, and I didn't like the reverse monogram. I like the regular monogram, which normally I don't go for, but again, I felt like she was a classic and she's always going to be in style. So that's why I went with her. But either which way, running down the dimensions for you guys really quickly so that way you get an idea. It is 9 inches in length, you guys. 7.5 inches in height and 2.8 inches in depth. Just kind of looking at her depth wise, the thing I like about this particular bag is you do kind of have that accordion style with this bag. So you can actually stuff her if you wanted to. I'm actually able to get my mini pochette in here, and I would definitely show you how I fit her in here when I do the what's in my bag at the end of this video. So either which way, those are the dimensions of this cutie. Exterior, she does have a zipper pocket on the outside, the back of the bag itself. To open, you do have this S-lock to open her. You just clasp together, open, she's good to go. You have 1, 2, 3 interior compartments, but no zippers or anything like that on the inside. So your storage is basically these 3 compartments and then the zipper compartment on the back. She does have a really cute, convenient top handle, which every once in a blue moon, you guys, I will hold her by the top handle, but for the most part, she is crossbody, which of course, as you can see, let me show you that, does come with a crossbody strap, and that is sitting at a 21 inch drop. So again, like I've told you guys before, you should know me by now, I like my strap to be on the furthest loop possible. That way she can kind of like hang a little bit lower on my hip, easy to get to and everything like that. So that's how I like it. If you don't and you like her a little bit higher up, adjust her how you want. So again, I do like the fact that you can adjust the strap. It is detachable, as you can see, and you attach her to these D-rings that are right here. I think with a top handle, you might be sitting at 2 inches from this top handle. And then if you can kind of see, which I do have her covered, that's where you have like the leather trim kind of like around, you know, a little bit of places here. So again, coated canvas, but a little bit of leather trim around the bag. And then of course you have the lining, like that brown, almost suede type lining for this particular bag. So again, she's a classic. She's a beauty. I think these are one of the first starter bags that a lot of people tend to get when it comes to Louis Vuitton, if you're looking into starting to collect. But again, she's been in my collection for a few years. I don't see her going anywhere as far as like me selling her or anything like that. If anything, I will probably just give her to one of my girls if they ask for it. You know, other than that, she's here for the long run. All right, so currently $25.70 is where she's sitting because, you know, the price hike has been, you know, a little bit crazy, but for the most part, you know, if you got her when she was literally under $1,500, kudos to you. I wish I could have, but you know, at the same time, I'm glad I did get her at the price that she was at the time. So I don't have any issues or anything like that, but this bag holds a great deal. She expands a little bit for what you need her for. And again, your phone can easily just go in the back if you needed to, along with some cash or whatever like that. But she's a great bag. I love this bag. I literally used her a lot this past few days, weeks, or whatever like that. So yeah, if you're looking to get this bag, definitely get her. If you didn't want to spend the amount of money that it is currently right now, I would definitely say, you know, look secondhand, because, you know, I think, me personally, you would get your money's worth if you did so. So something to think about. All right, so that is the exterior, that is the interior. So we are now going to flip over and I'm going to show you what I keep in my bag, what she holds, and basically how she works for me throughout the day. So once again, you put in there what you want to put in there, but I think for me, because I'm able to kind of stuff certain things around and rearrange it, she works very well for me. So me personally, you guys, this is a great bag. Would I buy her again? Again, absolutely. And if I had to, and I can get her at a decent price on secondhand, I would definitely buy her again. No wear and tear so far, no issues. The leather, the trim is still holding up. There's no patina or anything like that. It's not patina, it's just completely fine. And I like that. And again, I do have her covered. So for the most part, you know, if I had her stuck out in the rain or anything like that, you would see definitely spots here or there. But you can always do what a lot of people do if you do have the bag and just kind of like, you know, put some coating to protect her or whatever like that. I haven't, but again, I normally carry an umbrella, make sure that's in the car, so that way I don't have any issues. But yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and see what fits in my bag, you guys, and I will be back. right, you guys, so that is it. That's what fits in my bag. That's what I carry throughout the entire week of week 13. So hopefully you got a chance to just see what fits. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you guys, please go ahead and consider subscribing. All right, I would greatly appreciate it. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and again, most importantly, subscribe. All right, hit the bell notification. That way you're always notified. All right, I will see you in the next video.